Hello everyone, welcome back for today's puzzle. Looks like today we're going to be working on puzzle number 66. Alright, let's start with this box here. Looks like we're missing a 3, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 here and a 7 there. So 3, 7, 6. For this box, looks like we're missing 3, 4, and 8. We've got a 4 and an 8 here, so 3, a 4 there, so 8 and 4. If we do this row, looks like we're missing a 1 and a 3. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 3. For this row, looks like we're missing a 6. And finish this box out, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. We look at this column then, looks like we're missing a 2 and a 6, and I don't see any help. So 2, 6, 2, 6. For this column, looks like we're missing a 2 and the 6 again. There's a 2 here, so 6, 2, and that 2 makes this our 6 and our 2. So for this row then, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got that 6 here, so 7, 8. We've got a 6 and 7 here. So that means we've got 8, 7, and 6. For this column, looks like we're missing 7 and 9. And I don't see any help. For this box, looks like we're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got a 5 here. So 2, 4, no help here. 2, 4, 5, and no help here. 2, 4, 5. For this row, again, we're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got a 5 here. So 2, 4, and a 5 here. So 2, 4. So that means this is the only place our 5 can be. And we can get rid of this 5. For this column, looks like we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got a 3 here. So 7, 9, 7 here. So 3, 9, and a 3 and 9 here. So that makes this our 7, 9, 3. So for this box then, it looks like we're missing 1, 4, 5, and 7. We've got a 7 here. No other help. So 1, 4, 5. We've got a 5 here with that 7. So 1, 4. We've got a 1 here. So 4, 5, 7. And again, that 5 and 1 up. We've got a 5 down here too. So 4 and 7. So it's looking like the only place our 5 can be is here. And the only place our 1 can be is here. So for this column then, looks like we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here. So 4, 9. That 4 makes this our 2. So this is our 4. So to finish out this box, we're only missing an 8. So for this column, looks like we're missing a 1, 2, and 8. We've got a 2 there. So 1, 8. 1 and 8 there. So this is our 2, and that 8 means this is our 1, 8. That 2 makes this our 4 and 2. So to finish out this box then, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 there. So 6 and 5. So for this box then, looks like we're missing a 1 and a 4. We've got a 1 there. So 4, 1. That 4 makes this our 7. 4, the 7 means this is our 9 and our 7. All right, that was today's puzzle. Thank you for joining me, and come back again tomorrow for our next puzzle.